So if a project doesn't have carbon credits in it, or carbon potential, as we say, investors are not going to invest in it. And he thinks this is a kind of distortion just like the subsidies. However, in our part of the world, I can see why CDM is important, at least for now. Because there is not that much awareness about renewable energy yet. We're still just sitting under the sun. We're not really making use of the sun. And that's a problem. The same for wind energy. A bit. We started on manufacturing parts of the windmills, but it's still at the very beginning. But CDM attracts the private sector, and the private sector currently likes it. It's kind of not good, because we have to create sustainable models for renewable energy away from the carbon, or that are not dependent on carbon credits. However, it's not time yet for this to happen. It will take at least 5 to 10 years for that to happen. Now, CDM is quite an interesting field to work in. Did anybody here do an internship in carbon trading CDM projects? Okay. Basically, what happens in those projects is that you go to developing countries and you identify projects where you can reduce the CO2 emissions currently being produced, or you come up with ideas for projects that would offset or reduce future emissions. And this would be like renewable energy. So, for example, if electricity is being produced using coal, and that's like the baseline, that's how the economy produces electricity, and you come up with a wind farm that would be producing the electricity from the wind, this would be a CDM project, and you will get carbon credits that are equal to the amount of emissions